Hi everyone! For some reason, the audio didn't record properly at the beginning of this video. Please watch until the end anyway. The audio actually works during the playtime part. Today, I'm going to draw a new outfit and hairstyle for Lily. Let's choose a hairstyle first. Oh, Poppy! I'm going to sketch it using a light pad, then do the line work and color it in. Now, let's pick an outfit. Oh, it's Hello Kitty! I'll design the outfit using the light pad. And color it. Make sure to put clear tape on the back as well. That way, the paper won't rip when you attach and detach it. Now, I'll make a room that goes perfectly with the Hello Kitty outfit. I drew a big cushion and some other little props too. Coloring time! I'm coloring the blanket with a red plaid pattern. I laminated the part where the clothes will go. Cut along the lines of the blanket and glue the top part to the back page. From here on, the audio is working. Alright, now let's organize the clothes and props. All done! let's try on the clothes. It's a casual and cute Hello Kitty outfit. Now let's sit on the sofa and relax. While listening to some favorite music. Bye guys! Thank you so much for watching until the end.